Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to us. Happy birthday to us.
What are you doing?
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, this person sitting right next to me happens to be my younger brother Prithishore.
Hello.
For people who don't know him, we did a video last time, so guys, do check it out. So today is a very special day. Today is the 10th of August and today is our birthday. So happy birthday to both of us. Well, wait. For people who are thinking about it, let me clarify you first that we are not twins. He is 2 years younger than me, but coincidentally, apparently, we have the birthday on the same date, that is 10th of August. Anyway, I just turned 18.
What? Are you serious?
Shut up.
You are aging, Granny.
What the hell is wrong with you? Stop
Guys,
it.
how many of you think that she's 18? Please comment down below.
Please, no. Anyway, we did the Rakhi video last time and many of you guys really liked it and even told that you really like the bonding between us. So that's why I thought, why not make a video to judge what is actually how much is great bonding is between us. So, and what's better than on our birthday. Oh, by the way, I'll do a full video on my birthday vlog. Actually, our birthday vlog.
Yes.
Forget to say it every time. Birthday vlog with Get Ready With Me in my upcoming video. So yeah, stay tuned. Without much delay, let's quickly start with the video. So we are going to do a Q&A video where we basically will judge who knows how much about each other. So we'll ask a question, suppose what is your favorite color, and he need to write his answer, what is his favorite one, and I'll write mine, and then we'll check, he'll say what is my answer and I'll say what is his. Basically we don't get any points for this or we don't have any prize, but it's just that we'll understand that how much do we know each other. So let's get started. So now the first question is, if you would like to live in any place, what would it be? It can be any place. So let's do it. Well, I'm done with mine. Are you?
Yes.
Okay, let me guess yours. What can it be? America? Los Angeles?
Oh, you can
Russia?
Achha, we can go outside India also. I thought inside India.
Boy, you're going there.
Okay,
now?
not a problem.
Okay, then Goa. Let me guess.
What?
Oh, seriously? I got it right.
I mean, how?
I don't know.
Okay.
You gave me the hint that it's in India.
Obviously.
Okay, fine. Now my turn. Let's see. It's my dreamland. I always want to go there.
London?
No, not London.
Paris?
No,
Singapore maybe?
it's
Switzerland. Oh my god.
How can you even not know that?
I was
God.
just thinking of it.
You
Just
don't
thinking
know
of it.
me at all, really. Okay, fine. Let's go to the next question. So the next question is, what is your favorite food or something you can eat for the rest of your life? One meal. Then what would it be?
I guess I know the answer.
Okay,
The
you go
food.
first. What is
Biryani.
my
Chicken biryani.
okay,
Chicken
fine.
biryani.
He's
Because
right.
you don't like mutton, I know.
It's chicken biryani, but
Yes.
I don't know whether I can eat it all day my life. But I
Yes,
love
that
chicken
is a fact.
biryani. And for him, I don't know. He eats everything. He loves everything. He's such a big foodie, but he loves pizza, sweets. So I'm gonna say pizza.
Yes, it's pizza.
Oh, I gave the right answer. Okay, now going on to the next question. What celebrity would you like to meet at Starbucks for a cup of coffee?
Maybe Karthik Aaryan, maybe.
Well, I won't say you're totally wrong. I was crushing on him for
Acha,
a...
Vicky Kaushal?
Okay, fine. Okay. I was crushing on them for a long time. But my recent favorite 1 week back is Taylor Zakhar Perez. Well, for people who don't know him, he is the actor who played the lead role as Marco in The Kissing Booth 2.
Oh my
And
god.
since then, oh my
You,
god.
you just watched it 2-3
Okay,
days
fine.
back.
Doesn't matter. But I'm just dreaming about him all day, all night since then. So for you, I guess I don't know whether you have any such like crushes. Shraddha Kapoor maybe, because you're watching that song Psycho Saiya for a long time. So let's
How
see.
can you guess like this? Oh my god. Every time you guess it's right.
Anyway, let's go on to the next question. What is your dream job? I think dream job, maybe sit back at home and eat and play PUBG. Is there any
That's not a
vacation
job. You're close, but that's not a job.
You're the PUBG streamer?
Not streamer. Not only
YouTuber?
PUBG. I would like to be a PC gamer. Okay.
Oh my god, but I was close. See, I knew it. Because nothing suits him like, or he doesn't like anything else. Okay,
Your dream job.
mine. It's very easy,
Model.
man.
Actress.
Yes. There you go. I really want to be an actress. Let's see if I can. Okay, now let's go to the next question. Something that annoys you the most. What is that one thing, at least? Okay, let's
Something
see.
that annoys me the most.
Yeah. There's one thing that really annoys me a lot. So I guess I'll write that thing. Well, I'm done. Are you?
Yes, there's a surprise for you.
Surprise? What kind of surprise? Well, who will go first? I'll go first.
You. This time you.
What annoys you the most? Somebody disturbing you while playing PUBG?
That somebody's every time you. Okay. I just realized nobody annoys me more than she does.
One minute of silence for me. It's your turn. Just say what's the answer to mine.
Just like me playing PUBG, somebody disturbing me playing PUBG. I think somebody disturbing you doing makeup.
Can you
Doing
just stop it? Well, the thing which annoys me the most is lies. That's it. Anyway, moving on to the next question. Well, the next question is, what is your favorite TV show? Mine is
Yeah.
very easy because I watch it like all every day. So
Yeah, I know the answer. It's Friends.
it
Really
has to be
common.
Friends. I'll be there for you. For you.
Me?
Do you even watch any TV show? Oh, the only TV show he watches is CID.
That doesn't mean it's my favorite TV show. I
कुछ तो
just
गड़बड़ है दया, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है.
so for me it's a blank page because I don't watch the TV show much.
Let's go to the next question. One thing you're really bad at.
See, I am such a lenient person. I can't find. I mean,
Oh God, just give
something
me a
bad. in
break.
me.
Just give me a break. Oh my God.
I don't think she's bad in something or like.
Anyway, there's only one thing which includes a lot of things which I don't do, and I'm not doing it since I'm born.
What?
And for that, my mother is annoyed at me because I don't do that work at all.
What? What is it?
And that is household work, and especially
Okay.
organization. I am such
No.
a messed up person
No,
in my life.
Organizing stuffs inside his room is not a fact, but organizing people, she does it quite well.
Anyway, for you, what you're bad at?
This could be easy for you.
Yeah, I think probably concentrating on studies because you don't
Oh my
want
god,
to.
how can she guess like this? Oh my god!
Really? Anyway, let's go to the next question. What would you do if you won a lottery? Like 2 to 3 things. Okay, I think if you win the lottery, first thing you'll spend the money. If you're spending the money, then probably on a house. You'll buy a house. Is it right? Okay,
Yes.
okay, wait. Let me say the other answers.
No
Buy a car.
other answers. Because whatever amount I win, I'll make a house. That's my dream. I'll make a
Okay, you
big
will.
house.
Okay,
I'll stay
fine.
over
Like
there.
if you win $1 million, you will just
Yes,
build a
I'll
house.
spend it whole on a house and make
Okay,
a.
he
I'll
just
make a
needs
mansion.
to live in a house. That's all. But I have many more wishes than.
What
Yes,
what
I have
can
3
you buy?
wishes.
What can you buy? You can maybe buy as many makeup items as you want, as
That's
you can.
what you think about me.
Maybe you also want to buy a house.
Okay, that's right. And next, we
New
have 2 more
phone
things.
maybe. A car.
Yeah, that's right. So this is basically I'll buy a house, I'll buy a car, and I'll go to world tour because I love traveling and I want to travel. Okay, now let's go to the next question. If you're deserted on an island, what are the 3 things that you cannot live without? Like, what are the 3 things you will take with yourself? So, you'll basically take your phone.
Wrong.
Oh, you won't take your phone? Really?
No.
Okay, fine. So, you take marble cake with yourself?
What?
Because he always...
It's not marble
Something-
cake. I'll take food.
Arey, wait, let me say. You're telling it before only. So that's right only. Marble cake I said. Anyway,
No, you have-
fine. Tell. What you are going to take.
I'd say it will be food, water, and some tools. Because whatever food or water I'll take, it will finish someday. So some tools to maybe hunt or maybe make something to stain.
Oh, that's very practical. I didn't think it like that. My answers are quite different. Okay.
So what you will take? My first. So you will take makeup.
Shut up! What is wrong with you? Why will I always take just
Wait.
makeup?
I know. Lip balm and then aloe vera gel.
One thing is right. I'm gonna take a lip balm, but first of all, my phone. How can I live without my phone,
Oh
man?
God, I
I
forgot.
always need access to music and internet. I can't live without my phone. So of course, one is the phone, and the second one is lip balm. I can't live without lip balm.
Balm.
I need a lip balm everywhere I
Guys,
go.
think what will she do on a deserted island with a lip balm?
That doesn't matter. It's
You'll
my
kill a
choice.
fish.
I wanna do. I wanna take
If
that.
someone attacks you, you'll kill him with that. You need some tools, bro.
Arey, okay, fine. I
Something to
think
protect
we'll
yourself at least.
Okay, and the third thing is water bottle or water supply because I need water and I always carry water with myself. So these are 3 things I always carry with myself. So that's what I'll take. So the next question is, how long does it take you to get dressed? So let me guess for you, it's gonna be 10 to 15 minutes maximum, including bathing, getting dressed, everything.
Not bathing, only dressed. I get 10 minutes. I take 10 minutes to get dressed.
Yeah, that's now what's mine.
Probably 4 to 5 hours minimum.
I need you will give a very
1/4
weird
of a day.
answer.
Okay, 1/4 of a day. That is 6
That's
hours.
too much. That's too much. I don't take 6 hours. It takes me like 1.5 to 2 hours, and that's the right
That's
one.
not right. Okay,
That is
not 2
right,
hours
okay?
only.
No, it takes this much time only. Well, the next question is, what is your weird obsession? I know what it's gonna be for you.
I don't know what's my weird obsession, and you know.
Yeah, that's the only thing you're obsessed. and
Yes,
I-
let me know because I have written nothing. Let me know.
PUBG,
That's not a weird obsession.
sweets, marble cake. He's got a sweet tooth, and also he's always having a sugar rush. Like, I need something sweet. I need something sweet. After eating, I need a dessert. Anyway, now say mine. Let's see whether you know what.
weird obsession. I think mirror. Mirror. Because every time I see you, whenever you wake up, you stand 10 minutes in front of the mirror. I don't know what you do. Getting up in the
Well.
morning, after brushing again, you come and stand here for
Oh,
5
that's
minutes.
too much. Well, but his answer is correct. It's
Yes.
a mirror.
See, I knew it.
Because I even sleep at that side of the bed where I wake up
While-
and
while-
see myself in the mirror.
While you are lying, also you see yourself in the mirror. Whatever you do, you.
Okay,
do in
fine.
front
I
of the
like
mirror.
to see myself. There's nothing wrong in that. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you like this Q&A, brother, sister, birthday special video. Anyway, he stole my birthday, so there's nothing better I can do on this day.
So that's not in my hand, okay?
Okay.
Anyways, guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and do comment down below with anything you want.
Like seriously, whatever you feel like wishing us happy birthday, or if you have any questions, doubts, or whatever you feel like, just comment down in the comment section and let us know. And if you want to be a part of my YouTube family, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button so that you get notified every time I put up a new video. Well, you should listen to the birthday girl, because why not? I hope that I'm going to meet you guys very soon in my next video. As I said, there's a birthday vlog coming up very soon on my channel. So I'm going to
Do
meet you
watch it,
guys
guys.
very soon. And till then, bye!